morning, viewers and subscribers. Today we're gonna work on this S430. I have it for over 2 years now, and I've been doing some work on it. Which if you check my older videos, you'll see where I started working on it, where I did front brakes, and I did a bunch of stuff on it. I just did front struts on it. One front strut got knocked out, and I had to get it done. It's air, so it was like a little bit expensive, so I only had to do one at that time. So, and lower control arm and ball joint, that was last week. I didn't do much videos on that, so now I'm gonna do the rear brakes, like rear rotors and stuff like that. So stay tuned and keep watching, and always please remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that we can continue sharing videos with you. All right, please enjoy and continue watching. Yeah, so I know you guys remember the S430 right there. It's a 2000 model, and yeah, I got this one at Copart in 2020. I bought this at no, 2021. I bought this guy at Copart, and it was a little dirty and stuff like that. Need a lot of work. They treat it bad, so I'm trying to rebuild it back. I change off all those things on the door right here. Those moldings were all cracked, so I had to get some new moldings. If you notice, this one's still cracked, and but I had to make this too, cause this was all messed up. This was all messed up right here. Right here was all messed up and broken and falling apart. So I had to make this back. And if you notice, that section over there can't open anymore for the cup holders because it was so damaged. And the seat, around the seat get damaged, those moldings. So I'm gonna have to figure them out to get some new ones or try and remanufacture those myself. And that's about it, guys. And I had to do some cleaning on the body, because the body was so dirty and nasty. So pretty much coming back together. And today I'm gonna do these rear brakes and a couple other stuff I gotta do. I have to do that left side of ball joint and lower control arm. Maybe not today, so stay tuned, keep watching. There's more work coming. Alright, now I'm gonna jack up this car and remove the wheels so I can be able to do that brakes, that rear brakes and that. So stay tuned, keep watching. Jack him up. I can take the wheel off. I already blocked the right side. Alright. Yeah, now we're gonna take off the wheel and get to those brakes. Take off. Alright, now. So I'm gonna check under here and see, make sure everything good. Alright, it's nice and clean. I also had to do a lot of cleaning under here, because it was a lot of mess, like cobwebs and all kind of stuff when this car came in. It parked for a long time, it seems like. So I put new struts on the rear last year, Yeah, I put new rear struts in last year. So, yeah, new rear struts last year in there in both sides and the rear. So now it's rear brake time. Yeah. And then, let's see. Gonna have to do a differential service on this thing also. So I'm gonna have to open it, but that's not gonna get done today. It's just gonna be all rear brakes today. I put some new Brembo pads in the rear last year. So, but the rotors never changed. They're all cruffy on the inside. So stay tuned and see what we get done. Alright, first we're gonna get this 18mm that's down at the bottom right there. There's another one. I don't know if I can get the camera up in there, but it's right underneath here somewhere. Right there, 18mm. And then that one remove the caliper. Then I gotta move these center screws right here. Then the rotor should come off. Alright, so stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah, now I'm gonna use my T30 Torx and try and get this. There you go. Loose. Should come on. Yeah, alright. There you go. Alright, so rear one off. I'm gonna try and get some now and come back. Stay. Yeah, now these are slotted rotors. And it also come with a set of pads. A set of pads when I got the kit, but I'm not gonna use these guys. I already have new Brembos in there. So, alright, so stay tuned and watch while I put these babies together. Alright, new rotors. Them off in there. They work and line up this oil. Alright, so now we're gonna put the caliper back on and bolt it. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Catch him. Then we'll go for the bottom one too. There you go. That one into also. Then we catch that one. Then we tighten them up. Yeah. Go for this one also. S430 2000 model, doing rear brakes, slotted rotors and pads. You want it stopping good enough. Yeah. This car heavy. So you want, when you go on that street, you know, your brake stopping good. Yeah, it's done on this side. Alright. See this side done. Nice caliper back together. Rotors on. Yeah. Yeah, looking nice with them slatted rotors. I know they're gonna stop good. Yeah, now we're gonna do the right side. So we already get the left side done, and we're onto the right side now. We're gonna block up the right side now and then take the wheel off and do those calipers too. Caliper pads and everything. Now we are on the right side, which this side take the sensor for the pads, and that side. So we got to be careful on this. This one a little bit more tricky, not hard. Alright, and then now we still have to do the same procedure by finding those 18mm bolts in there. Again, that caliper and this torque bolt right here and the rotor. And it's just simple steps, just like that. So it's basically the same thing you did for the left side. Same steps for this side. Only that because this side have a sensor that hooks to the pad. So you gotta be careful so you don't break this sensor. Alright, so same thing here on the 2000 S430. So let's continue. Alright, so I just moved this, and it was E12 inverted torques, and then you know I just move this sensor out of the way because you're gonna move back the caliper and I really want this to get busted. So I put it over here, and then I'm gonna try and take this 18mm out right here. There you go. Busted, then I go for the top one right up here. So just keep watching. Alright, so take my arm. Stop the bar. Whoa, there you go. Alright, then clean this up with some brake cleaner and stuff like that, and you'll be good. There you go. Gonna catch and spray these down. Good. Nice and clean. Alright. Then put some anti-seize around here, or some synthetic grease, so it won't get froze next time you're trying to take it off. Alright. Get some synthetic grease. There you go. And let's put some around here. Put some synthetic grease, lubricant. Alright, see, new rotor. Alright, same procedure to replace and put it back. Alright, tighten these up. See? And rotor good. Then calipers back, sensors back in, and then I'll just show you what to do. Yeah, brakes back together, sensors back in, pads, calipers, new rotor, so right side complete. Alright, so stay tuned for the next rest of jobs that's gonna be done on the front. Alright. Yeah, now the brakes are done. Brand new rotors and pads. Yeah, S430 rocking now. See, new rotors, new pads. So she rocking now. Just to do the front. See, all new up front also. But I gotta do ball joints on this side. All new up front on this side. Yeah. It's coming together, man. Yeah, now S430 ready for the road with all the new brakes. And on this side got new ball joint, right, you know? So it's coming up. Then I gotta do those seats inside and a couple more stuff. I already did the oil change already. Try cleaning them headlights, but they still look dirty. So maybe I have to use some new lens on there. Alright. So stay tuned for more videos. Watch coming. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.